Alright guys, what is going on? Jason here, the Arizona Desert Fisherman, back again. I know I keep taking long breaks. We have life happening. Everybody has it. You know, sometimes we just need it. But we're back. We got our favorite box of the month. TacPack is here. We're going to be going over that, but more importantly, we're going to be talking about something that is going to be huge for this channel, and you guys are going to love it because one of you are going to be winning something very, very big. First thing, brand new. I've been asking for this for 2 years from these guys. TacPack finally came out with their very own shirt, okay? And I'm going to say right now, if you don't understand this, then you're either too young or you just need to go do some research or get with the times. And funny story. Hold on one second. Let me sit down for this. So I actually wore this shirt. I've had the box for a couple of days. I wore this shirt the other night. I had to go out to the Big Evil Corporation to get a few things, and somebody walked up to me and said, "Is that from the Goonies movie?" And I just kind of looked at him and I was a little confused. And he's like, "Oh, well, probably not, but that's a badass shirt, man." And he just walked away. And you know, that's why I'm saying, if you don't get the reference here, just go. So TacPack, awesome job with their first shirt. Like I said, I've been asking for a shirt from them for a couple of years, so I'm really excited to be wearing this. We're going to go through this box. It's a smaller box again this month, but but that is definitely okay because the value is there. We got this shirt here. Obviously, shirts run anywhere between 20 and 25 bucks. So this is really cool. They designed everything on this shirt, so that's awesome. The thing that I really like is the flag right here on the right sleeve. I know I'm kind of far away from the camera. My setup is what it is. Just bear with me until I figure some new stuff out. But anyway, it's got the flag right here, and then right down on the waistband of the shirt, it's got the TacPack logo. And then obviously the TacPack logo right here in the eye. That's pretty cool. So, like I said, they did a really good job there. The shirt, I believe, is cotton. I think that's what it said on the tag. So, that's cool. We have a sticker, which I always love, from 556 Tactical. Big clue right here as to what you guys are going to want to watch at the end of this video. Might put this on the truck, might not, I don't know yet. Always love getting these stickers. So the first thing on the list is in this little white bottle. And I struggled with this for a long time trying to figure out actually how to open it because there's no lid or anything. It's just a solid piece of plastic. But then it opens just like that. What we have here is from 556 Tactical, and this is called the S-Type Compact Tactical Muzzle Brake. Okay, get a close-up view of this here for you. So you can see right there, it's made in the USA. It's lightweight, so that's really nice. It's got threads already screwed in there. It literally is just a plug and play kind of deal. So that's really nice. This thing weighs 3 ounces right here, so that is really nice. I've seen some muzzle brakes that weigh up to 10 ounces before. It's USA hardened steel. Yeah. So looks like it's going to be a nice muzzle brake there. 556 Tactical always puts out good products. Next thing on our list here, oh, and that muzzle brake was valued at $55. Next thing here, this is valued at $35, and this is really nice. They hyped this up. You guys know I love my knives. TacPack sends a lot of knives. Now we have a nice sharpener for our knives. This is a field sharpener. It's got a little hole in the top of it for paracord that you can take it around with you. Diamond ceramic and leather is on this, so it's got all three. And the nice thing about this is right here on the ends, they're actually guides. So you got a 20 degree guide, and then it says 25 degree hone, but there isn't a 25 degree guide, which is fine. But I think that guide is very important these days, because a lot of people will just go straight up to a whetstone and start sharpening at the wrong angle, the wrong everything, and they'll just totally screw up their knives. So this is kind of the cheater's way, but like I said, it's really relevant and valuable for today's day and age. If you don't know how to actually sharpen your own knife, you know, now especially, you excuse me, you can do your own instead of sending them off. And it says here that you can do pocket knives, hunting knives, serrated knives, scissors, tools, and fish hooks on this. So that is definitely cool. We're going to be doing a video probably next week. I'm going to be testing this out on all kinds of things, probably every single thing that the back of this says that it can do. So stay tuned for that video. And then there is a card in here that is from the company is called WorkSharp, I believe. Yeah, the company is called WorkSharp. And then we have a card in here with a discount code. If you want to go to their website and pick anything up, I'll leave that discount code down below in the description for you guys. It's 25% off. Like I said, that was slated at $35. Then we have another product from Breakthrough Cleaning Technologies. I love getting stuff from these guys. There's usually something from these guys in every single TacPack box, which is nice. This is their battle rope. It's a bore cleaning rope. Let me get this open. This is definitely going to be saved. This is good for 22s, 223, and 556. Says that it is an extra thick rope, and it's got a weighted brass end. So you can see there, it's got the brass ends right there. You just drop those through, pull them out. It's got the nice cleaning rag on the end of there. I remember doing this with my dad all the time on our shotguns every hunting season. That was one of the cleaning things that I actually enjoyed doing. And this is valued at $16, which is a really, really good value. So that's nice. And that is everything from this month's box. Like I said, guys, it was a short box, but the value's there. Let me see, let me do the math here. We're just over $100 on this, you know, so for $49.95 you really can't complain. Now for October, they always have the next month's hype on here. For October, they're saying that there's going to be 5 items in there, so that's actually really big, because usually there's only about 3 or 4. And they're bringing back some brands that they've already had in the boxes. Hexmag and Black Rifle Coffee Company are 2 of them that they have listed here, and those are 2 of my favorite companies. I love the Hexmag grips that we have. I love the coffee mugs from Black Rifle Coffee Company, although TacPack, I'm going to tell you guys right now, please, I love the coffee mugs, but send us some coffee from Black Rifle Coffee Company, okay? Because that stuff is hard to get in Arizona unless I go on Amazon and buy it, and I don't like doing that. So please, just send us a bag of their coffee. That'd be perfect. And it says that there's an armorer's tool in here in October's box from J.E. Machine, plus more. So that's something to look forward to there. So really good box this month, but let's get to the big information for the Arizona Desert Fisherman channel. You guys just saw TacPack is constantly sending, sorry guys, I got some sweat in my eyes. TacPack is constantly sending parts for ARs, pistols, anything. So what I decided is I have 90% of the gun parts that I've received from the TacPack boxes. You can go back in the videos and watch them all and see everything that's come in. I am going to build an AR, a 556, with straight TacPack parts. Now, obviously the upper and the lower are going to have to come from somewhere else, because I don't think it's legal for TacPack to send us an upper or a lower. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me down in the comments, please. And TacPack, if you guys have an upper or a lower in your office and you want to send it down here for this build, please do. But the entire gun is going to be all TacPack parts, whether it's stuff like this muzzle brake here, or upgrades, or we have like reduced weight springs. We have the rail that we got a couple of months ago that was super expensive. It was like $200 value. We're going to be using every single part to build an AR on this channel. And then, because personally I like my shotguns, I don't like ARs. So when it's all 100% completely done, a firing gun, we're going to give it away to one of you subscribers. And that's all you have to do, is be a subscriber to this channel. It's as simple as that. I think it's a good idea. Hopefully TacPack sees this and they like the idea. Hopefully I'm not breaking any laws here. I know I'm going to piss off YouTube with this video, but it is what it is, A lot of people piss off YouTube. It's kind of unavoidable these days. But, let me know your thoughts down in the comments on this. I might get it powder coated. I'm not sure. I really haven't touched too much into the AR world, so I don't know what's good, what's popular, what's hot, what's cool. Nothing. All I'm going to do is put it together and try and figure it out, and then, like I said, give it to one of you guys. So I want to thank everybody very much for tuning in today. Definitely click that subscribe button, because you guys are going to want to be a part of this. We're going to do a demo on that knife sharpener probably next week, and then we're going to be having another video where I'm going to show you guys all of the different parts that we have already to throw into this build, and we're going to start laying it out, and it's going to be really cool. Thank you guys very much for watching. Check out the Misfits. Love the new TacPack shirt, guys. We'll see you next week.